Hey YouTubers, I'm out here again with the BarnOwl project down in southeastern Colorado on a road trip, little vacation. So I brought a few guns with me. I brought, well, I got a 223 Ruger, got my 308 Patriot, my Target AR-15, my new AR, and then around the front of the old girl made it down here. And then I brought a few pistols too. The 41, 357, 45 Colt, the 45 Shield, a couple of 1911s. My competition, the one that I'm using for competition anyway, 40 Smith & Wesson. The Taurus BT99 AF. The Sky, just because I know how much BarnOwl loves the Sky. And my Sigma. Right now, BarnOwl and Koala are being brass picker uppers. So we'll get back with you with some shooting in a minute.
Don't have enough subscribers.
I do.
I know. You got good subscribers too. Your subscribers actually like you.
They do.
Ryan, get that chair and you need to come over here. This is why Koala is camera woman.
That's okay.
At least I'm helping you.
She gets good footage too.
That's the way we need it.
What the hell? They were free.
I'm going to do a review on these.
You are?
Yeah. Pro for show.
I want to like smack you.
Oh! Wrong door.
Oh yeah, the other one's going to get shut.
There, are we back here now? Are we back here now, lads and lassies? Yeah, you recognize that fucking tripod, don't you?
It's a piece of crap.
Yeah, you had one of those pile of shite sitting there that fucking came in a free camera kit. She bought,
Nikon 360, 380.
A Nikon, and it came with a piece of shit.
Well, like it's a actual handheld, like one of her cameras. So it came with a tripod. And about 5 minutes later, I came over with a really
Taurus.
No, it's a Targus, but it's their premium line. It's the Black Web line, Walmart's actual in-house brand. But it was like $50, and it's got low leveling, and it's got shock absorbers in it. They're fantastic. It's so good.
So you got a nice tripod now to take your pictures on?
It's stupidly nice.
I actually mostly use it out here because I do wildlife photography for the most part.
I took a picture of that sunset last night because that was just
Whenever we were headed home.
cool. Yeah, I sent it to my wife. She's jealous as all.
Dude. And that was the color sucked, but it was still really like.
It was still pretty.
We usually get a lot of those purples. Yeah, and it was weird.
Like those pictures that I showed you the other day, that's normal.
Like that's average.
That's summer.
I guarantee you, tonight will be much better coloration. It was really orange last night, really washed out. All day yesterday was washed out.
We get a lot of reds.
Do you?
Yeah. Well,
Maybe we should move the 25-06, or do you want to
I love
leave
the
it there?
25-06.
Well, you can hold it.
Okay, I can hold it. Can't get rid of the 25-06. It's a goddamn champion right there. There, I'll just sit there like that with it. So we're talking politics, right?
It's taboo on my channel.
I know. You've noticed there's never been a vlog about politics on my channel.
Oh God, we would offend everybody.
Well, but it's about...
With 3 sentences.
Yeah.
3 sentences in and everybody would hit dislike.
Yeah, fuck you up.
Well, and I don't really care. You can be whatever you want. You know, it's your choice. That's why we live in America.
Yeah.
America!
Fuck yeah. Oh, don't swear in your vlogs. My bad.
Not in mine.
No. Well, good
Put
thing
your own goddamn camera up there. Swear in your own ones.
Yeah, I can finally leave swear words in my videos. I don't care who I offend now.
Yeah, well, you know, vlogs don't go anywhere on my channel anyway.
Yeah, well, shit.
I got a couple of really loyal viewers that will look at them.
You just got to get the right kind of vlog. Opal, take your clothes off. See, that would have got your vlog. Camera woman runs naked through vlog. Clickbait. Boom. There's the clickbait right there. Now, the only thing is it's going to be me running naked through the vlog, but...
Oh, shit.
Hey, that's the whole point of clickbait. It's a lie. No, I guess just tell them what we're going to do today and what we're going to shoot, and then we'll just roll it into your shooting if you want.
Sure.
Let's do this.
What are we going to shoot? That piece of shit?
We are still recording.
BarnOwl loves his 25-06.
I don't like the
I
recoil.
love you, Jenny. We're
That's
naming
why-
it Jenny.
The name of the gun is now Jenny, because I love you, Jenny.
God.
No, I don't know. We're going to shoot everything today. It's kind of your last full day here.
Yeah, we're going to shoot a lot of shit.
I don't know. Are you planning on taking off tomorrow? Are you going to stay tomorrow? What's the plan?
Probably going to have to take off.
That's,
My wife's waiting for me now.
well, and that's what sucks is that basically you spent 2 days driving, and I'm sorry about that. But we got a lot of shooting done.
We got a lot of shooting done. We had a lot of fun.
We did. Had a lot of fun.
Fucking A.
We didn't break too much. Actually, we pretty much
swore
broke
my
everything.
vlog.
Hey! He said the F-bomb. There's just going to be a duck quacking noise in there whenever it hits.
I can't do that. Can't edit that kind of crap.
Oh. You can send me the footage. I'll throw it. You're going to be like, can you put a duck quacking in there? You're going to get it back, and it's going to be like, oh.
I don't know this guy. I drove all the way to southeastern Colorado.
To see koala.
To see koala.
Because it sure as hell wasn't to see me.
I got a ride in Ryan's Scout.
That was probably the worst part of your trip, wasn't it?
I tell you, that Scout's something else.
That's about like strapping your ass to a brick and throwing it down the highway.
Yep. Well, with wheels on it.
With wheels.
And pedals.
Yeah, and Flintstone it. But it gets here.
It gets you where you got. There ain't no goddamn suspension in that thing.
No. Well, I'm sure there was 50 years ago. It is. It's 40 some odd years old now.
Yeah.
Springs are flat. I've got coilover shocks in the rear for towing.
Yeah.
And so it's a little rough. But I guess
Get some more done with the Patriot today.
I am super excited to get it finally sighted in, like just finessed.
BarnOwl made me buy a new scope for it.
I did not make you buy a new scope.
Okay, Cody made me buy a new scope for it.
Yeah, I'm okay with blaming Cody. No one likes him. I suggested we did some moving around, and he really liked the P223. It's a good scope.
It's a good scope.
It's super clear glass, so we went into the gun shop, and it's like, hey, look through the P308, and you're like, yeah, I guess I'll buy it. Like, we just said look through it. No. Throw it up on the counter. I think you just like spending money.
Well, no. I know. I realized that the Bushnell that I had on it.
That is the pot calling the kettle black there.
Well,
Shut up.
I realized that the Bushnell, even though it was 24 power and was working just fine, was a piece of shit compared to that P308. I don't quite have the magnification, but it's a damn sight clearer than that Bushnell was.
And you
That
don't
glass
need
is so crystal clear.
parallax adjustment. It's just there.
Yep.
It's parallax adjustment is set to infinity basically on them, and even at full magnification, which is 14, I think on the P.
12 or 14.
Yeah, it's 12 or 14 on the P308. It's good. It's super clear out here,
Yeah.
and it's whenever there's no insane amounts of heat, it's really nice.
Yep.
Because we've had some hot few days here. You
And
know,
I wouldn't have bought it had I not shot with it P223. I'm kind of sold on them Nikons, but the Vortex that's on my Target AR, that's a pretty sweet scope too.
that is a sweet scope.
You know, that Vortex Crossfire 2 is a nice scope. I've probably spent more money on glass in the last year than I have on guns.
Oh, absolutely. Again, I've got that Nikon X1000 coming,
Yeah.
and that will cost twice as much as just a basic Axis cost.
Yeah.
And so that's, I know the pain, but
Yep.
like you said, wherever you look through it,
That P308 cost me as much as the Patriot did.
yeah.
Until I put the stock on it.
I was gonna say, between the stock, the Patriot, and the scope. And a Harris on the bottom of that.
Thanks, BarnOwl.
Yeah, you got a pretty good setup there.
I think it's great.
I like it.
I like it. It shoots nice and it's pretty.
Pretty goes a long ways.
Pretty good. In my book, it does.
Now about that Tasco.
You know what? The damn thing works.
It does work. And that
works.
That has to be a video because that's the most obnoxious thing I've ever seen.
Beating it on that railroad tie.
Yeah. I got a video of Mr.Tolly here just going. Yeah, it works.
Still working. Still held 0. The cheapest damn red dot I could think of buying. Thank God I didn't buy it because I never would have in the first place.
Oh yeah, I'm glad that you were willing to take it off my hands because I had to live with it that it was free.
Yeah.
Because if I had bought that, I probably would have been forced to cut my wrists open.
You know, it's gonna stay on there.
It has to. You can't.
Because it works.
That's
After beating the shit out of it on that railroad tie, I was not being gentle with it.
Nope. We have video of that.
Yes, we do. But you'll have to send that to me so I can
yeah.
roll it in some of this stuff.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna cut that out and put it on an SD card and be like, good luck with this. Because that's one of the most obnoxious things I've ever watched. Now we gotta test it out.
And I know everybody's gonna give me hell because it was still on the AR.
Yeah, but
But it's my AR, so screw y'all.
But you're not being safe with your firearm.
Dude, there ain't nobody out here but us for 10 fucking miles.
Who are we gonna shoot? I will say that you can literally lob a bullet in any direction, as high an angle as you want, and if you hit a cow, you're pretty lucky. If you hit the ground, you're lucky out here some days, because there's just nothing out here.
Nothing.
I wouldn't suggest shooting the water tower, but I mean, if
What, that one there?
the one that's like 40 feet behind us.
Oh, well, we're not shooting that way.
Yeah, don't shoot that
Shooting
one.
that way.
Hey,
Wind's
Dirt
picking
Devil!
up again. Gotta love that wind. We don't get wind like this in Minnesota. Well, we do, but not this weird little gust here, and that's it. We get the wind, and by God, it's 60 miles an hour. It's gonna stay there for a while.
Yeah, this is southeastern Colorado, but Scott,
It's beautiful out here.
thank you for
Thanks.
coming down to the BarnOwl Project.
Thank you for having me. This is great.
Hey, Scott, this is Mr. Tolly.
Yeah,
I like this guy.
it's all right. I like him too.
It's not terrible.
I like Ryan too. He's all right. Koala's better because she's more fun to look at. No, not in my video. Do it in yours, not in mine.
What do you say we blow something up?
Let's go shoot some stuff.
Let's shoot some stuff.